Welcome back. Want to switch YouTube to dark mode in 2026? You are in the right place. In this video, I am going to show you step by step turn on YouTube dark mode on your phone. 2 step to reduce eye strain, save battery on OLED phone and enjoy cleaner viewing experience. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube application on your phone. Once the app is open, make sure you are using the updated version of the app. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. In the profile page, click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Within the settings, look for the top menu bar. Here, find the general tab, click on them. In the page, look for the appearance option, click on it. Here you can basically see the three options: use device theme, light theme, dark theme. If you decide to activate dark mode on your YouTube application, simply select dark theme and automatically activate the dark mode on your YouTube app. That's it, your dark mode is now enabled. If this guide helped, please like this video, subscribing for more easy tech tutorial and helpful 2026 tips. Bye, take care everyone.